You know, these people are a bunch of nuisance. This 10th assembly is the most failed 10th assembly. With their Oga, the villain, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, the most arrogant president, a tendency president that does not have anything to offer to Nigerians. Rather, looting and stealing from the poor Nigerians, borrowing from OPay to PAMPay, borrowing from PAMPay to Money Points. That's the only thing this government can offer to Nigerians. It do not took them up to 24 hours to pass a bill that will keep the Inspector General of Police that has already expired on his age of service. It didn't take them up to 24 hours to pass the bill that will keep him in the office. And it didn't also take the most failed 10th assembly 24 hours to change the national anthem, as if the national anthem was the problem of Nigeria. Meanwhile, knowing fully well that they are the full problem of this country. They know they are the problem of the country. Giving us electoral reform will change the narrative of this country. It will save democracy first. The APC failed government have over 31 governors. The failed government have almost all the whole rep members. The same APC government have almost the whole senators, have councillors and local government chairman everywhere. They have the Nigerian police, they have the army, EFCC and what's it called, civil defense and the rest. Why are they afraid of electoral transmission? Real-time mandatory transmission. Why are they afraid of it? You have the City Boy movement that has already failed, dead on arrival. They have endorsed celebrities, kidnappers, armed robbers, bandits, and the rest. But they are still afraid of the Nigerians. That's to let you know that the people are not with them. The mandate in which President Bola Ahmed Tinubu is standing on is not the mandate of the people. It's a stolen mandate, and he's aware of it. If he's a Democrat, he should give us free and fair, transparent election process that Nigerians will come out and prove to him that he's not our leader. As I've already said before, the 10th assembly is the most assembly. It's an assembly that only listens to the voice of the president. So the voice of the masses does not matter to them. When it will matter is when Nigerians as a people will decide to come outside and occupy the whole National Assembly, occupy their various houses and their place of office. Then that is when they will know that we are out for revolution. What we need in this country now is revolution, and it will come very soon. From the look of things, revolution will happen in this country, and I will be among those Nigerians that will agitate for that revolution to happen. If I die, I die. All death na death. I'm not better than those people that has been killed in Kwara State, Katsina, Maiduguri, Plateau State and the rest. Don't ever pray for Nigeria to happen to you. When Nigeria happen to you, then you understand why you should be on the street agitating for good governance.